Imagine yourself in this 1966 Buick Wildcat GS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are dual exhaust, Super Turbine 400, Street 400, 3-speed automatic with the torque converter switch pitch, cast aluminum rocker arm covers, heavy sway bars, heavy-duty suspension, variable rate suspension springs, premium sound, and 3.36 axle ratio. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.